Money, everyone wants it, but very few truly understands it. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to attract money easily, while others work from morning till night and still struggle to survive? The truth is, it's not always about hard work. It's about understanding what money really is. Money is not just paper or coins. It is energy. It flows towards people who respect it, manage and use it with purpose. Until you learn to see money differently, you will keep chasing it instead of attracting it. Money follows problem solvers, not complainers. Every time you solve a problem for someone, you create value, and money flows naturally to value. So stop asking for money and start asking, how can I create more values? The day you begin to think that way is the day your financial life will begin to change. Money is like water. It must keep flowing. So when you hold it too tightly, it stops growing. Saving is good, but if you only save without multiplying, you will never build true wealth. The wealthy don't just work for money, they make money work for them. Every money is a seed. You can eat the seed now or plant it and let it feed you for life. That is the difference between spending and investing. When you learn to invest in knowledge, in skills, and in assets that pays you back, your life begins to shift. Remember to subscribe and join the Rain family as we build wealth together. The first truth you must know is that money is not evil. People often misquote the Bible saying money is the root of all evil. That's wrong. It's the love of money above wisdom and values that destroys people. Money is simply a tool, a servant, not a master. It was created to serve you, not to control you. When you begin to see money as a tool for freedom, you stop fearing it and start using it to build peace and purpose. Money doesn't change who you are, it simply reveals who you already are. If you are generous, money will amplify your kindness. If you are selfish, money will amplify your greed. So before chasing money, work on your character because wealth without wisdom will always lead to regret. The next truth is your mindset. Yes, it determines your financial destiny. The poor will say, I can't afford it. Why the rich ask, how can I afford it? That small difference in mindset is what separates scarcity from abundance. When you say, I can't, your brain shuts down. But when you ask, how can I? Your brain begins to create solutions. Money follows problem solvers, not complainers. Every time you solve a problem for someone, you create value, and money flows naturally to value. So stop asking for money and start asking, how can I create more values? The day you begin to think that way is the day your financial life will begin to change. Money is like water. It must keep flowing. So when you hold it too tightly, it stops growing. Saving is good, but if you only save without multiplying, you will never build true wealth. The wealthy don't just work for money, they make money work for them. Every money is a seed. You can eat the seed now or plant it and let it feed you for life. That is the difference between spending and investing. When you learn to invest in knowledge, in skills, and in assets that pays you back, your life begins to shift. One day, your job may stop, but your investment can continue working for you. But here is where most people go wrong. They let emotions control their money. They buy things to impress people who don't even care. They spend to escape stress instead of solving what is causing it. You cannot feel emotional emptiness with financial spending. You must heal what is broken inside before you can manage what's outside. The richest people are not those who have the most money. They are those who wake up each day with peace, gratitude, and freedom. When you stop liking your self worth to your net worth, you set yourself free. Remember this, if money controls your emotion, it will always control your life. But if you learn to control your emotions, you will never fear money again. Now, the secret to financial growth is not in working harder, it is in multiplying smarter. A poor person often thinks in terms of hours, but the rich think in terms of system. If you only sell your time, your income will always be limited. But when you create something that works even while you sleep, a product, a course, a digital download, a YouTube channel like this, or an investment, you unlock financial freedom. Passive income is not just a dream, it's the reward for consistency, creativity, and courage. Start small, but start today. Build something that will feed your future self, even when you are not actively working. Money grows when you move. That's why giving is powerful. When you give, you create space to receive more. Giving is not just about charity, it's about trust. And that trust is what keeps abundance flowing. Give not to show off, but to grow. Give with wisdom, not pressure. When you plant your money in good soil, whether it's through helping others, supporting growth, or investing in knowledge, it comes back, multiplying in ways you never expect. Wealth isn't built overnight, it is built through small daily decisions that compound over time. Every day you make a choice to save or to spend, to learn or to scroll, to invest or to waste. Those choices shape your future. Consistency beats intensity. You don't have to do everything at once. Just keep doing something meaningful every day. The quiet, disciplined moments you build today will become the loud results everyone will see tomorrow. Wealth grows in silence, not in show of moments. Every no you say to a distraction is yes to your destiny. And finally, remember this: money without peace is poverty in disguise. What is the point of having all the money in the world if your soul is tired and your heart is empty? True wealth is being able to wake up without rushing and to know you are free. Money is not just about buying things, it's about buying time, peace, and choice. It's about living a life that feels good on the inside, not just one that looks good on the outside. So, yes, chase success, but do it with purpose and honestly. Spend wisely, give freely, and live gratefully. At the end of the day, money is not your enemy, it's your student. Teach it how to serve your dreams. Don't just work for it, learn about it, grow it, and use it to make a difference. Because one day you will realize you were never really chasing money, you were chasing peace, freedom, and purpose all along. And that's, my friend, it's what true wealth really means. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and join the Reign family as we build wealth together.